Can someone explain to me why in some states gas prices look like this and in other states it looks like this? California! So why can two states be paying totally different prices for the exact same gallon of gas? I'll tell you, it's not because the president hates your state, it's a lot more specific than that. As of right now, the national average is around $2.90, but in some states it's still over $4. So what's actually driving that gap? Here's the simplest way to understand it. We'll think of gas as a base price, and states decide how much extra they want to pile on top of it. Think of taxes, fees, special fuel rules, and climate programs. I can only imagine which states implement climate programs. And here's the key: your state controls a huge chunk of what you pay at the pump. California having the highest state gas tax, about 71 cents per gallon according to the Tax Foundation. Now compare that to many red states that keep their gas taxes lower. The one that caught me off guard is that Alaska has the lowest gas tax in the entire country. Even with that, Alaska is still ranked number 4 in the highest gas prices in the US. But taxes isn't even the biggest part in some blue states. A bunch of blue states also layer on climate programs that acts as extra costs per gallon. For example, Washington's cap and trade program has been blamed for adding on an additional 21 to 50 cents per gallon. So if you're in a state like that, you're not just paying for fuel, you're paying for policy goals baked into the price. Now here's the sneaky one: fuel blend rules. California is the king of this. When a state requires a special blend, the supply tightens, and when supply gets tight, prices jump faster and stay higher longer. Meaning if they have refinery issues, pipeline hiccups, or maintenance, you can't just order some gas from the next state over overnight. Now, a lot of red states sit closer to major refining and distribution networks, especially around the Gulf Coast. Meanwhile, many blue states have stricter rules that make it harder to expand refineries and build new pipelines. So supply stays constrained, and constrained supply plus extra fees equals higher prices. Every time. Now look at where gas is cheapest. It's heavily concentrated in parts of the South and the Midwest. Texas, for example, has been sitting around the mid $2 recently, while states like California and Hawaii are sitting way above $4. So here's my take. Blue state leadership often choose policies that explicitly make gas prices much higher to push people towards EVs and emission goals. Red states usually choose affordability and less add-on cost. You can agree or disagree with that trade-off, but you can't pretend it's a mystery.